Right, so this is the M5 car charger, 3-in-1. Now, let me quickly go through what it does. So it works with your phone, your tablet, and your tablets. So it's got 3 different styles of tablets there and 2 different styles of phones. So I'm guessing it works with Android and Apple hardware. Car charger, and that's about it really. Let's get it out of the box and see what you get for your money, and then I can quickly go through what it actually does. Right, so I had a little play about it before I'd done the second part of this video, and I thought I broke it at one point. I pulled the cord and it just kept coming out. I thought, oh, how do I get it back in? Now watch. This goes up to, I believe, 700mm. So you go like that, yeah? So it's quite long. And you think, oh, how do I get it back in? And you give it a little pull, and it goes back in. So it's there, or there. Easy when you know how, isn't it? So we have a USB Type-C connection, and that says PD, so it gives you power, and we have a USB, and that says Super on there. So I believe that's 30 watts. So it's PD at 30 watts, and it just says Super. So perfect for charging up your devices, and perfect if you want to charge up your phone. Before I test it, who is this for? Well, someone who hasn't got enough USB connections for a start, but has a cigarette lighter or power connection the same as this in their car, but doesn't have any USBs, this would be perfect for you. And it should be plug and play. So you plug it in, connect whatever you want to connect to it, and away you go. And apparently it has an LED display on it as well, so it shows you how much power is being sent to it for charging up. We will give it a test. We are going to try this out and see if we can charge up 3 devices all at the same time. It is plug and play, providing you've got the engine running, of course. And I thought, oh, I know what to do. I've got 3 tablets, so I've actually got more than that. I thought I'll charge them up first, see if it charges them all up. And yes, it does, all 3 of them, with no issues. Now, I did try it in the front of my car, you know, in the driver's side, and it was a nightmare trying to film it because I couldn't get the actual device and the tablets all together to show you how it all works and how easy it was to use. So that is the reason why I've done it in the boot. And like I said, I had no issues with it whatsoever. Plus, you want to know if it charges up your phone okay, and yes it does. Again, no issues with that whatsoever. It is plug and play. You don't need no software, you just plug it into your power source and away you go. Been playing about with it for a few days now, and like I said earlier, I couldn't actually do a good video in the front passenger side of the car to show you this plugged in plus 3 tablets or 2 tablets and my phone. But the thing I like about this is it frees up your other USBs if you've got USBs, because this works straight into the cigarette lighter or the power socket, whatever you want to call it. It has a retractable cable built in, and by the way, it's quite vicious, so watch your fingers. It does go quite fast. I did catch my finger on it once and thought, cool, that hurt. Now, something you may not know and something I haven't mentioned yet, it has intelligent charging. What that means is it manages the actual current going through and makes sure it doesn't damage your batteries, apparently. So it does fast charging, so up to 30 watts I believe at any one time. It's very careful how it does the voltages. It makes sure it's not damaging your battery, whether it be in your tablet or your phone. So perfect. And it's cheap. It doesn't cost you a lot of money. Link in the video description below. Check it out. So with that, if you like this video, let me know by subscribing, clicking on the bell for notifications and giving this video the thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. Link in the video description below.